subscribers. This is the second episode for The Flying Club. Ang tour natin ngayon ay ang Mount Batulao.
Excited ba kayo?
Yeah! Tara na. May iwan tayo.
Maganda ka ba?
Yaya ko lang po siya.
Welcome to the Flying Club, where you can rest and peace forever. Welcome to the Flying Club. Such a lovely place, such a lovely place. Welcome to the Flying Club. The Flying Club is so marvelous.
Marvelous. What's the spelling of marvelous?
Masaya. Masaya na lang.
Morning.
Ingat po.
Alam na.
Nakalimutan ang water.
Sino? Sino?
I'm waiting for you to come back home.
Every December daw, yung araw ay sumisikat sa pagitan ng dalawang bundok ng Mount Batulao. Kaya daw tinawag na Mount Batulao yung bundok na ito. Ibig sabihin, sa gitna ng dalawang bato, may ilaw na sumisikat.
Ang hirap. Pero kamusta naman ang hirap?
Laan nyo.
My iPod, take my keys, take my flare, take it out, take my shoes. I'm riding solo, my memories, take all my photos.
More fun.
My blue jeans, take everything, take everything.
After ng pagkakit natin from Peak 0 to Peak 11, TFC subscribers, now I present to you the Mount Batulao Summit!
To come back home.
It's awesome.